Hi there, it's Zero Markets. Welcome to our guide on using and installing indicators from the MT4 Markets. Explore powerful tools created by fellow MT4 users that can help traders analyze price movements, identify trends, and even generate trading signals. We will show you how to find, install, and apply these indicators on the MT4 platform. Step 1. Accessing the MT4 Market. MT4 Markets is located on the bottom of the screen in the Terminal tab. Step 2. Browsing indicators. Navigate to the Indicators category and filter the indicators or use the search bar to find indicators by name or keyword. We will look for a free indicator. Click on an indicator that interests you. The Indicators page offers a description, screenshot, and user reviews. Take your time to read through the information to adequately understand the indicator. Step 3. Select and download. Once you have chosen an indicator, click on Download. You may need to log into MQL5 if you have not already. Register if you do not have an account. After the download is complete, you will be able to see the indicator in the Navigator window. Step 4. Installing and applying. In Navigator, open Indicators and a new market folder will have been generated. Here is where you can find all the downloaded indicators from the MT4 Market. Open the folder and locate the desired indicator. You can insert the indicator either by double-clicking on the indicator or dragging it onto the chart. You are able to configure the indicator's parameters according to your preference. Modify settings such as color, periods, levels, and other inputs specific to the indicator. Click OK to apply the changes and display the indicator on the chart. Modify and remove. If you would like to remodify the indicator settings, you can easily do this by right-clicking on the chart and opening Indicators list. Select the indicator that you want to modify and click Edit. You can also choose to delete the indicator. This will remove the indicator from the chart. Indicators can provide valuable insights, but it's important to remember that they should be used in conjunction with other analysis techniques and your own trading strategy. Explore different indicators, experiment with their settings, and continue learning to enhance your trading skills with Zero Markets.